Welcome to Alpha Macro Presents. Please like, share, subscribe and press bell icon for more notifications.
Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn that how we can send an email by Excel tool using a macro. A short brief understanding about a macro is that it manipulates the data within some fraction of minutes with less manual intervention and also saves our time. So let us better understand about macro with the live data that we have. Here you can see a invoice copy drafted. People who are working in the billing department, they might have their regular work to send the invoice copy to their customer or to their clients. Next, we are going to make a simple code that can help to sort out problem to send email, to draft email, and also attach the Excel template over email. So for this, press Alt F11. We need to insert a module and then send email. Workbook. So I'm starting my code .save. This is required because before we send any data to a customer, we need to save our data. Now I will set a variable, set outmail equals create object parenthesis inverted comma outlook.application inverted comma dot create item parenthesis 0 parenthesis. I've set the variable. Next, with the outmail 2 equals sheet 2. Now the tab name, you can see the invoice and its name is sheet 2 dot range. Now you can see email to option I have kept in E6 as a reference cell. So I shall put the cell E6 dot text dot cc equals sheet 2 dot range. My E7 cell E7 dot text. Guys, if you need to add BCC, that also you can add. I'm keeping as blank as of now. Dot subject. I've kept the subject part. You can see this subject reference M4. So you can rewrite as per the requirement. So as of now, I have mentioned sheet 2 dot range M4 dot text. Now the content goes sheet 2 dot range. I have added the content in M1. Cell reference is M1 dot text dot. Now we need to add the template along with the mail. So for this, attachment dot add active workbook dot full name, press enter, dot display end with set outmail equals nothing, and then ends up. So finally I have created this code. I just need to execute this code. If you do not want to show this, you can even hide this, or you can select the color as white. Now I just need to add a radio button over here, which would allow me to run this macro which I have drafted. So for this, I will go to developer tab and then insert a form. So I just I will assign send email, my macro name that you can see. Click as OK. I just mention as send email. Now clicking this email, now you can see the content of the email, the name of the person whom I'm going to send, CC, the subject name, and the email attached. The only thing is I need to just click this send option. So I click this send option, and you can see this Outlook, it is sending the message. Now, if we do not want the display option to be added with this code, directly send the attachment along with the mail content. So just I will replace it to send. Sorry, it should be send. And then run the code again. Now you can see there was no display option. Now you can see one which I have manually clicked the send option, and the another which I haven't clicked any there was no manual intervention. Directly it drafted the mail and sent to these recipients. Now, next, if I want to add on behalf of email, let's say we have a generic mailbox, and just I have the access of the generic mailbox, and I need to send through my generic mailbox. So I will mention this dot send on behalf of name equals. So let me put somewhere, yeah, M5. So let me put sales@cba.com. This is my generic mailbox, for example. So sheet 2 dot range, I have kept it M5 as cell reference. So M5 dot text. So I am replacing back to display in order to get the screen. So then even you can hide this as well. Send email. Now you can see on behalf of uh, macro has been run, and just so this is how the macro works. And with this we can send email directly to the customer with the available information that we have. We need not to open the Outlook. Directly we can send. Hope this was a valuable information shared to you. Please share and subscribe my channel for more videos, and all the best for your work and projects.